in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need.
Today is November 1st. To the UPS store. Oh yeah, the sun is out today. Yeah, I'm gonna go do this errand and go back inside and edit a video because I want to post it tomorrow. I'm supposed to be drop this package off. I did the return on the 22nd. And I'm like, oh. I was trying to drop it off closer, but they don't scan the QR code. They need the label. And she needs having no label, so I gotta go all the way on Steinway to go drop this package off. It's like $15 in the Uber. Whatever. Gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna break there, knock down there, I'll drop it off. And I called. The good thing I called them before I went because I'm like, oh, I'll see a closer one. I'll pass it every day when I'm going to work, but I'm like, let me call them to see what time they close. And then I asked him. He's like, oh, but they don't scan the code. I'm like, what? I'm like, I don't have no label though, so. This is the first UPS store I went to the other day, like a couple months ago. Same thing back to. This package is type big, so I couldn't even go take it on the bus because it's heavy. I'm like, I'm not going on the bus with this. That's what happens when you don't drive. I don't take Ubers often anyway, so I don't feel bad about it. I need to make an appointment to go to the doctor and the dentist. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all when I get there.
Here?
The UPS store? Oh yeah, it's across the street. Okay. And I'm finished just like that, quick and fast. Like less than 5 minutes. Got my receipt. Now we're heading to Dollar Tree. I'm so tired. Mind you, all I went outside to do was to drop that package off at the UPS store and just go to Dollar Tree, get some few things. And I'm outside the whole day. Yeah, so this is what I got from Dollar Tree. Black pepper. I really wanted relish because I was making my tuna salad. I was gonna make my tuna for my sandwiches. But they only have the hot and sweet one. And I don't really like this one, but I need it. So whatever. I got an almond milk and I bought a whole milk. Because I want to use my cereal and some Lasco. I bought this. The hand soap to pour in the bottle. Because I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to keep buying this for my one. That don't make no sense. This one is creamy milk and honey. Like I said, apple cider vinegar. I bought another vitamin C, even though I have one of them I bought from the place called Shein. It's almost finished, and then I have another one that I come in. Remember the three, the bottles, the orange, the purple, and everything with the blue. I have that one too, but I saw this one. I couldn't just walk past it because I'm like, it's vitamin C. I just need to lighten these spots on my face. And I bought some electrolytes drink. You know, just to add to your water. This is kiwi strawberry and the regular lemon. I bought tea tree oil for my scalp because my scalp always get flaky and dandruff. I bought some air masks because I'm actually gonna wash my hair tomorrow. So I saw this air mask there, so I'm like, you know what, let me try this. This is it's a restores and thickens for brittle, weak hair. So I feel like every couple of days you're supposed to comb your hair out, because when you don't do it, when time for you to wash, that's when you get all that lump of hair. And I bought razors, that's a tissue. I did buy a Sazon packet, and I bought this too, the binding toner pads, the binding toner pads. See, because I wanted to try it. It's 40 pads in there, glycolic acid, lemon, and honey. So I'm gonna try it. Actually, I'm gonna wash my hair, fix the CeraVe first, and then I'm gonna try it. I wanna smell it. I don't know, I think the scent is not that strong, but I expect, right? Got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is stuff I bought from Lot Less. The collagen wipes. Oops. Oops, come on, phone. Don't do that. Yeah, the collagen wipes. It's 4-pack. So, yeah. And the cayenne pepper. So cute. Cute little bottle. And the cooling cucumber pads, iPads. And it comes with applicator right here. You see it? How much came in there again? 60. That's not bad. And of course, and I got the egg container. Y'all hear what the lady said. She said, buy it now. So she said they're not gonna be here by the time I come back. I love this. It's 18 count. The one I bought from, where I got it from? I think I either got it from Shein or Temu, and it's 12 count. And this one is actually 18. It's 18 count with the eggs at Walmart that we're buying. So everything will fit in one tray could fit in here. This is it. Take it off. Alright, so I went to the Food Imperium. What do you call it? The Food Emporium. Yeah. And I got some meats. I don't want this little piece because I'm gonna make pepper steak with it and just me. So whatever. I bought pork. I haven't had pork in a while. I'll try to not eat it, but I'm not gonna lie, I miss it. It said lean, juicy pork. Yeah, and this little beef top round, whatever, thin sliced. It was $3.40. Like I said, it's just me, so I'm gonna, I'm gonna get some chicken back. It's a lot. Make some soup with this. And I got some wings for $4 and change. Oh yeah, and I got some organic bananas. Yeah, organic. Read it. Y'all see it? Because I feel like the regular bananas is what bring me out. So I need to start eating the organic ones because, yeah. I'm gonna eat some food. Oh yeah, let's make some tea just now. I forgot. I took the salt. Some green tea. As soon as I come in, I want some tea. Because I've been out all day. Well, you could say all day. Because it's late right now. Yeah, I'm gonna wash these off. Honestly, there's really feel the dirt on these stuff. So you gotta wash your hands now when you come inside. Believe it or not, COVID is still outside. So you still gotta wash your hands. We're supposed to make some pizza today. This is a side note. I wasn't trying to stay outside long because I said I was gonna come back inside and make some pizza with this because I even put the tomato sauce right here. And the pepperoni is in the sink. So I'm like, I was gonna make some pizza. I'll spend the whole day outside. But anyways, the other day I came here and I bought pineapple. I thought I bought this one. And the other one said honey glow. I don't know why I thought that was this one I bought. I'm so mad. But I'm like, when I cut it, I'm like, why the hell is this in a pink? But you see, $5.99. I'm just gonna get these 2 for $5. Because I'm not gonna come here and not get these at all. I got 2 of them. Today's Sunday. I just left Food Bazaar. I'm about to go in to the sun right now. Go get a water filter. Because I need one. This is where we going. I don't even know how much it is. I think it was on sale for $17.99. So let me go see if they have it for the same price. That's my first time going in here, by the way. Let's see what they got. Yeah, this is the one I saw online. Same exact one for the $17.99. So I'm gonna get it. Look at this. They got the filter by itself of $24.99. Let me get one of these right now. Yeah. And that's all working. That's all the not this was the air fryer. Air fryer right here. But you know what? This is actually big. It's actually deep. But the thing is, you know what? I'm like, I don't need an air fryer because I have one in the house. Oh, is that a juicer? Is that a juicer? No. Yes, I'm saying I have an air fryer in the house. Under the sink. I need to use it. I go pay for this. Where do I go to pay for this, people? Where I go pay? We're gonna go in here. Food Universe Marketplace. See what they have. Oh, it's the exit. Oh, entrance is up here. I tried to came here before. We're going over there. I said I was gonna go home, but I had to get something else before I go on this bus. I'm at the bus stop because I refuse to walk with these damn bags. Not doing it. But look at my thing. Can't wait to try it. It's a 5-cup one. Yeah. The sun is out today. It's out. Yesterday was a little nippy, but today, oh baby. But they have put some sunscreen on first. Some vitamin C. Got some curry chicken today because my friend coming over. You know what's crazy? Some of these stuff I was gonna, I came outside yesterday. I said I was gonna get them. I chose not to. But then she said she walked today. So I'm like, okay, girl, I'm gonna do some errands and I'm gonna let you know when I'm situated. Because yeah, all the shades broke. Some of my favorite shades broke. Like one of the side thing right here, the screw came out. I don't know where it is, but I'm not throwing it away. I'm about to go bring it somewhere to fix it, or if I could look for the screw, maybe it's in my bag or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out and see where it is because I'm not throwing them glasses away. I don't really like these. They're alright, but I don't really like them. Although it's my favorite. Even though I have another white one, but I don't even know white shades right now. I prefer black. I have like how many minutes? Okay, let me see. When I came here it was like 14 minutes, so it's probably like 10 minutes now. I feel like I did. Oh, look at the birds. A whole heap of them just fly away at the same time. Show you, hold on. I guess they got a what's it called it? Oh, that's cool. That's dope. I was saying they got a we call it a routine or something. Not a routine, choreography. Why friggin' since switch back to 8 minutes? It just says 0 minutes. I'm annoyed. I'm home. I'm going to my child. I thought I opened this thing, but it's not open. It's not big and it's not. Oh, it's kind of small actually. Oh, it is 5 cups though. I got something in the bottom. I don't know. Come with a manual. And here this is it. I'm gonna take it out the bag and I'm gonna rinse it out, wash it out, whatever. Put the water in there and do what you gotta do. Yeah. I should have been about it okay, but I don't know, I was just so used drinking tap water. And you know what? Let me go on. That's it. So obviously when I wash it out, it goes in here. Oh, that thing's the other way. No, it is not. It's the right way. But yeah, here it is. Yeah. So yeah, I gotta get clean water now. But yeah, I did wash the egg thing out. Here's the egg thing. I'm gonna put the eggs in there and put them away. It comes with a nice cover. You gotta cover it. Oh, the other way. This way, yeah. Can't beat this for $5. You cannot. Alright, so I'm washing dishes up. Oh yeah, you get what I got from Food Bazaar. I didn't buy my stuff. So I bought like 3 TVs. So I'll put the crackers up there already. I didn't see the St. Mary banana chips. Well, the small one, the extra crunchy one that I bought last time. I didn't see them. I was looking for them. So I ordered about 3 cheesies. I like this one better than this one. The cream crackers, the national brand, I think Excelsior. I don't really like Excelsior like that. It's kind of sweet. I don't know. And it broke too easy. See? I always get nothing out of everything. Nothing no bun, nothing no what else we have? We kinda like the bread, but the bread sometimes we buy bread dry, not no way. But the bun, definitely. I buy one rocket because I make some part. You know what somebody Instagram this morning and my sister we can make one plantain and peanut. Where we get the peanut from? We need some raw peanut, some nice raw peanuts. I forgot go on Jamaican. I forgot go on maybe we should get some food bazaar. I don't know. I'm going to book in one of these days and get it. Because I want to mix it together. A long time I eat one plantain peanut porridge. So I'm going to try making myself. Look easy to make. So we can make caramel. But yeah, I'm going to try it. And yeah, this is the. I'm not sorry buying this one again. I love this one more than the other one. So yeah, I want to watch these 2 crackers. My name is what? It's like $20 in a food bazaar. And oh yeah, the 2 pineapple for $5. Yeah. That's a steal. You have to buy it. Every time I go in and see them, I have to buy it. See? I spent $21.93. I'm glad I'm spending a lot. Yeah. Dollar Tree, paper towel, extra paper towel. Because right here, one almost finished. And I bought this for the. I bought the I don't know if I showed you. Hold on, I think I did. Oh, look big. Oh my god, I don't think this will fit. I don't think this will fit. Oh my god, I'm not sure how to fix this. I might have to bring this back and get the right one. And this I should bring to the Dollar Tree. I'll exchange it. I'm gonna bring it back and exchange it. And make sure I have the receipt. Because this is not the right one I bought. The receipt right here? Yep. This this is $150, by the way. $150. Wait, we gonna keep that right there. I bought some mini Kit Kat miniatures, Kit Kat with some peppermint, and this gonna be my candy bowl. I'm gonna leave on my coffee table, so when people come over, yeah. I'm about to cut up my chicken and my food right now. Here it is. Put it on my coffee table. The cute little coffee bowl. I'll see right there. Because I ain't seen no other color. They had that. They had the black and the wood color looking like, and they had full brown. So I just bought that one because it matched kind of with the center table with the black on it. So that's what I bought. Yeah, so I bought 2 pineapple for $5. I was not gonna eat this. They big. Yeah. I bought the cabbage. Another pineapple. This one is really big. And I bought cabbage. And I have corned beef in here. Oh, yeah, I bought 2 lemons. And the carrot right here. And I bought 1 cucumber. And 1 potato. And the chicken is right here. I bought drumsticks. And patatas. That's what I use when I cook my curry chicken. I don't really use use bony meat like that. So I rather use this together. I was gonna buy a wing, but I changed my mind. But I usually use the leg and thigh for curry chicken. That's like my 2 favorite part of meat to use. Oh yeah. With some white rice. Because when no one knows to make who was on free if you buy curry powder. Hey y'all, so today's Monday, November 3rd. I'm here drinking some chia water. I'm about to get ready to go to work. But I'm gonna eat something first. I didn't eat nothing for morning. It's now 3:20. So but I want to come here and show these the under eye patch I bought for a lot less. Look how cute they are. You got the applicator inside and it's infused with I'm guessing it's cucumber water infused whatever inside, and look at it, it's so cute and it just stayed on. It's like cloth like material. It's not like the other the other ones said you stay on for 15 minutes. Unlike the other ones, when you put them on sometimes they slide off. Depends on how much infused water is in there. But these stays on. And you will see how they look. They're so cute. But I'm gonna order some avocado one from Temu. They're actually on sale on Team now for like $3 and change, and it's 60 pieces too. So I'm gonna get two of those. Yeah, that should be good. I did add lemon in here too. Okay, so I'm gonna eat some leftovers. What do you do? Love this. Today's Thursday morning. We're gonna make some pineapple ginger. That's it. That's all I'm doing. We're gonna put it in here. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? You think the blood of Christ is not stronger than any omen that somebody trying to put on you and your family? Preach. What are we talking about? We American Christians. We in my context. So I done backed up on some pineapple because I need some for my smoothie. This is it right now. That's all I got from the pineapple ginger mix. These bananas taste so good. It's organic. It's not my first time eating it, but I always get the regular ones. These are cute. So this one. This right here smells so freaking good. I had to get it. And this honey shampoo, conditioner. Repair. Yeah. I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow anyways. I need it. Me walking past this, I'm like, what is this? And look, it's a wine holder. This is cute. Wait, I'll turn it this way. Wine bottle holder. That's cute. Morning. Today's November 8th. I just saw that Bel-Air is coming back. I love that show. Hold on, I'm watching 2019. But yeah, Saturday morning. But yeah, Bel-Air is coming back. I love that show. I watched all the seasons. But this is the final seasons. It's the final season, and it's coming back on November 24th. Damn, that was a good show. But yeah, I'm just here editing the vlog I'm trying to post tomorrow. I'm tired of having these vlogs on my phone. I'm gonna get them out the way. What's coming up this one? Oh, the Brandy and Monica concert. I still haven't taken it. I'm gonna wait until like when it's close by, because that's what I learned. I keep forgetting, like at the like close to the date of the concert, the tickets go on sale, so it's cheaper than the regular price that you'd be getting. Hey y'all, today's Sunday. We're cooking a small pot of rice and beef today. Yeah, with some pork and fried chicken on the side. Happy Sunday. Today's what? November 9th. Chicken. Let's give me here this fry. I'm gonna dinner. Thank you, mommy. And today's rice and peas right here. These parboiled rice and pork. Yeah. Hey y'all, I gotta go to Seymour Hall. So today is it's like late actually. I was just cleaning my stove. I work today. Today's Tuesday, January. What? Today's Tuesday. November 11. Well, 12. 12 now, because today Wednesday actually. Yeah, today Wednesday. Yeah. I reset this one. I forgot to put a home screen picture back on there. But yeah, today's. Yeah. So I was cleaning. Yesterday I did a 12 to 10 shift. So I was at work. I was tired. I'm like, damn, I'm tired. I'll go home. I'm just gonna go straight to sleep. When I reach home, sometimes we do something to clean out the fridge, and that's what I did. So I washed these stuff out, and I cleaned the fridge out and everything. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go to the hall. Cause I bought a little thing decor. Oh, wait, fall decor. I knew it was gonna be small. I knew it. I knew it. Timo. Yeah, okay. You ever been at work tired? I meant to tell you, say, you ever been at work tired? Then we reach home, you're not tired. So that's why I'm not clean. Yeah, be like that. But hello, fall. Well, fall, autumn, like the same, right? So yeah, we're gonna put this here. Next to the heat one. Let me say something. I don't really know latches. I don't know why I buy latches, but these were a couple cents. Look at it. Oh, these are nice. So look, yeah, I got some nails. I don't know why I bought the bracelet. I think it was cheap. Ankle bracelet. Alright, I bought a lot of turmeric and vitamin C under eye mask. Well, these was on sale, so I'm like, let me get some. I'm good for now. I'm good for a while. Yeah, so turmeric and vitamin C under eye mask. Listen, the aloe vera one I bought an aloe vera one too. The last time I ordered on Temu, but it don't work. I don't like it. The aloe vera one, it don't work, and it don't smell good. No smell, not like it smell. Like the aloe vera smell just, I don't like it. But yeah, so 60 pieces come in there, right? It's a multi-function tightening moisture. I think it's 60 pieces. Come with a little thing, as always. Oh, it's looking like the gold one. See? Hopefully this works, man, because I'm tired of this. The thing is, honestly, my problem is I don't go to bed early. See the time now? It's after 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock right now, 1:05. So I need to go to bed early too. Today when I wake up, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna go to the supermarket. I'm gonna get spinach. That's what's missing in my juicing. When I'm juicing, especially green juice, I didn't get no spinach. And it helps with dark circles and under eye bags. So I need spinach, and I'm gonna get beetroot too. Even though I hate that, but I'm gonna get it. I bought a cucumber one. Like I said, it's on sale. So when that one done, well, I'm not gonna open it. Hyaluronic acid, dark circles, puffy eyes, and wrinkles. Oh yeah, I was here watching Moesha, even though I've seen episodes already. Like I said, I just love old shows. I've watched them over and over again. I don't even care. Because I still watched Antenna TV. Mine started coming on the other day, so I started watching that. These are 2 avocado. These are worth 3 something, 346. These are on sale, so this is the cheapest I see this for. So I'm stacked up on these and under eye mask. I am not playing. I'm not gonna buy no more though. No, that should last me for a while. So it's 60 in there. I bought an extra tie just cause, yeah, I need it. What's this? Oh yeah, I remember I told my mop broke the other day when yeah, so I ordered another one. Wait. Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna say, where the hell is the mop itself? Because I know they ain't just sent me the stick. And I actually had to pay $8 for this. So this is supposed to be for something. I don't know what happened. Because in the cart, it was for something. And then when I look at my receipt, when I ordered the thing, it said 8 something. I'm like, what? But this one is different. I think it's the same thing. But why it look like this? This is not how the other one came. Is it? Whatever. Because the other day I was mopping too. It comes. So I need a new one. Wait, so this is a lash remover. No, it's a glue remover. When you put lashes on, I was like, oh, nice. I just bought these some extra kitchen towels because I love these fiber cloths. Yeah, I didn't order a lot of stuff. This is like $30 though. What's this? Eyebrow gel. Oh yeah, this is the I saw this on TikTok. So you know the eyebrow thing you put and it darken it and then you pull it off. This is what this is. I saw it on there. I'm like, okay, let me try this. Oh, what's this? Oh, I bought it for Kimani. I know he's like a teenager now or whatever, but he still loves Toy Story. So I bought this for him. It's like one of his Christmas gifts. I know he won't know it. Yeah, that's alright. And I had ordered some other stuff for him from Shein. Look at these things. It's bigger. It's so small, bro. I paid I think it was $3 and change I paid for this. This was $1 and change. Like probably I think it was $1.98. I don't remember. But that's about it. Let me go back and watch Moesha. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go to bed soon. Just eat some bun. I forgot I had this. Like I said, something. I know it's also wrong. I'm like, girl, you're not supposed to eat this right now, but I ate it because when I came in, I just drank some tea, and the last thing I ate from work was some pineapples, and that was it. That's the last thing I ate from work. I bought lunch, ate some snacks, and I ate my lunch around 4 o'clock, and then I ate my cheesies, and then we eat pineapple. Yeah, so that's it. I didn't eat nothing. So I'm like, damn though, I should never eat this bun right now though, because I'm about to go to sleep. But I drink tea. I had tea when I came in, so I should be good. I'm trying to do a little bit. I'm gonna do some exercise before I go to bed. I might go to the gym tomorrow, but I have to go outside too. Oh yeah, I bought my dining table. My friend is gonna come set it up for me. The guy that I usually pay to put on my stuff, like appliances or whatever, and he said 120. I'm like, no. Not too much for me right now. I'm gonna go get my son so too. That's another extra $100 something. So, and then I'm gonna have to buy him groceries after. Yeah, so I asked my friend he could come do it. He said he can, so I'm gonna let him do it. Here it is, 360 wig. Ben picked it up from downstairs. Probably like a week or 2 weeks now. I think it's 2 weeks. I also washed my hair the other day and I couldn't. I did it and I'm going to say, ooh, here it is. Came with some goodies, yeah, like that. I'm show you the goodies first. Stocking cap. Can't go wrong with stocking cap. They're always saying, well, not everybody's saying take a stocking cap. So, are these lashes? Oh, child, these look so fake. I don't want these. Let's see this wig. Yeah, the 360. I forgot what inch it was. I don't think it's on the bag. This is a 360. Oh, it is, right? And it comes with a drawstring. That's how I bought it. Where's the drawstring at? If this is not a drawstring, I'm gonna send this shit back. Because I bought a drawstring 360 wig. Where is the drawstring? Do not play with me. I will send you back. Oh, I don't like it smell. It smells like it just came off the vendor. Where's the drawstring? This is why I bought this wig. Bro, where is the freaking drawstring? I don't see the drawstring. See, it is a 360 wig. Where's the drawstring there? It is a 360. Go all the way around. Okay, am I blind or something? Because I don't see the drawstring. It's supposed to be like a white thing. I don't understand what's going on. Why does this don't have a drawstring? I'm about to call these. I'm about to send them a picture and everything. Okay, it's nice though. I think the 18-inch. I like the feel of it. It's soft, but it don't have a draw. It comes with a band, adjustable band, but it's supposed to be a 360 wig. This is supposed to be a 360 draw, and it comes to. I looked at the pictures and everything. It shows the drawstring on it, so I don't understand why this don't have the drawstring. Like, it'll have a little adjustable thing inside too, right here. This. Oh my god, it's getting my nerves. I even think send the wrong shit, man. I gotta send it back. I am annoyed. I am so freaking annoyed because, okay, the lace is given. You see it? Oh, look at that. The lace is given, honey. Honey. I was gonna say auntie. It is an 18-inch. But okay, honey, but girl, you sent me the wrong one. This is not the one I bought. I mean, you did the right one. 360. But there's no drawstring on it. And that's what I wanted. Yeah, my hair can be washed anyway. I'm gonna wash my hair. But I like it. It's nice. Look at it. Alright, let me figure this out. I'm not gonna look at these pictures again because I know I'm not bugging. Because I looked at it, it took me a while to even buy this because I'm like, let me make sure I'm buying the right one. And they still end up sending the wrong one. Like, come on, bro. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all do this to me. Why y'all do this to me? Like, I would really send this back and get the brown one. Like, stop him. You must put it all back. Crap, yeah, pisses me off. Stocking cap. Why did some of these fake ass lashes back? Like, this is really fake as hell. Like, you could look at this shit and tell it's like it's really, really fake. I mean, I know all of it, but this one look. We might have to send this one back. We might. I'm gonna see y'all later. So then piss me off again. Why? You are enough. So I will be content with every circumstance. Amen. I got shades on because I want to. Who's gonna stop me? It's not that cold like yesterday, but it's cold. It's like 40 something degrees. It says it feels like 35, but it doesn't. I kind of feel a little hot. Outfit. And that is enough. I'm already loved. I'm already chosen. I know who I am. I know what you've spoken. I'm already loved more than I can imagine. And that is enough. You can't sing, you can't sing. I don't care. Like I said last night, we're going to the store. It's probably like 1 o'clock right now. Because I left out, it was like 12:48. And I walked. So this is like from there to here, probably like a 10-minute walk already. Yeah. Yeah, so I slept so good last night. I had some wine. Somebody bought me a bottle of wine. So I drank some. Well, we were drinking some, and then he left it there. So I'm like, let me sip on some before I go to sleep. And I slept good. Yeah, like 7 hours of sleep. Because I'm sleeping at like 2 o'clock. Okay, I didn't do laundry. I'm gonna do laundry tomorrow. It's 1:15 p.m. I'm the only one out here wearing glasses. Okay, so I had an egg sandwich and a smoothie with strawberry, pineapple, and banana with almond or the oat milk. One of them. I don't remember which one I poured in the bottle. So that's what I had for breakfast. 2 eggs fried. I'm gonna start scrambling my eggs because it's better that way. I'm not supposed to be eating fried eggs that often, but I feel like scrambled eggs is like fried eggs, but it's not really because you know mushing it. But I don't know. They say it's healthier than the fried eggs, so or I could just go eat boiled eggs. But honestly, I don't want to eat boiled eggs all the time. So as soon as I ate, I come outside. I'm like, let me go walk this carbs off. I had it with white bread, and it's a long walk where I'm going, anyways, and it's a long walk back. I'm not gonna take the bus, so this is my exercise for the day. Possibly, I'm gonna try okra again because I honestly don't like okra. I'm gonna try it again. I remember I bought it in a bag from Dollar Tree, and I did not use it. I was like, I'm gonna try it. I did not use it. I had it in the fridge for so long, I threw it out. I mean, I like okra. I mean, I like it consistent in okra, man. But it's good for your body, like, you know. Especially people that's pregnant, it's good for them to drink okra water. So easy for them to have a good, easy labor. Like we're gonna slide out because you know the gooey thing, the gooey consistency of the okra helps that. But you know what? I never see that at Walmart though. Or maybe I not look for properly. So next time I go over there, because next time I'm gonna pick up Kimani for Thanksgiving. So oh wait, I think his father told me that they got a buffalo ranch wrap at McDonald's now. They doing so much. Snack wrap, $2.99. Oh, anyways, McDonald's been trying anything. Trying to be better than Burger King, and you're not better than Burger King, okay? Or Popeyes. Every breath that I take, Every moment I'm away, Lord, have your way. Lord, I'll give you my heart. I don't know. We probably look silly with glasses on in the winter. But I just saw another lady. I saw like 3 people wearing glasses. So, but we don't care though. We want to wear it because we want to wear it. The hell? But I know other people looking at us like, why y'all wearing glasses and it's cold? How about you mind your business? How about that? We don't want to see y'all. How about that? Oh yeah, I was gonna say that. How about that? The girl that use that sound. Why is she I saw a picture of her. They say she looking light skin instead of white. She's white, but her skin look more lighter. Oh no, not lighter. Brighter. Listen, she look like she light skin, okay? I don't know how they could change that. At this point, they could do anything with surgery, right? That's crazy. They want to be us so bad. Them white people want to be us so bad. That's why they hate us so bad, like, but they want to be us. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. I am to say that you're my God. We're all together, all together. Close to you. Alright. I'm about to listen to my music. So see y'all later. It's cute. We made the miracle. Oh. I love these. Cute. But first I'm seeing the different color carrots like this. And these are the apples I bought earlier. And the organic banana right here. Yeah. I got 2 more. Oh my god, these. I ate these. I'll do a review on TikTok. They taste so freaking good. Yeah. They taste good, but if they had more pineapple filling inside, it would be way better. So why was I complaining about my air fryer? And I have an air fryer right here. Like my Ninja. I've been had the Ninja, right? And I didn't want to use it because it was too big. And sometimes, honestly, I get confused how to use it. That was like, I was getting confused how to use it a couple years ago. So I have stopped using it. But now, this is what I'm using. I am not using nothing else. I'm not buying no air fryer. This look, do everything. Pressure, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear, saute, bake, roast, air fry. It's an egg crisp, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Yeah, and you can keep the food warm when it's done. Like, I don't know. Somebody gave me this as a gift. This sauce right here is not even hot. I taste more sweet than spicy. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like this, you see how much I use already? It's really good with chicken. Like, yeah, it tastes really, oh, it's mild. That's why. I didn't even notice I picked up mild. I just picked it up because I saw, it said sweet and spicy, so I didn't even notice it was, okay. That's why it wasn't hot, because hello. But I might try the hot one next time. I got it from Food Bazaar. I think so. Or was it Walmart? I don't remember where I got it from. Just my bonnet. Hey y'all. Today is November 15? Yeah, November 15. I literally just finished juicing. I need to show you the process because it's probably like past, well, not past, we're in now, November. The couple vlogs that I've been posting, like old vlogs, I keep showing like juicing. I didn't notice I was juicing so much, but anyways, don't matter. Yeah, I've been juicing non-stop, but see, because I'm missing iron. My iron is low. So the other day when I went to the store, I had to pick up some spinach because I'm like, I need it. Because like I said, I've been juicing, but I keep beginning to add spinach to it. So this is celery, cucumber. You can see the cucumber juice. I'm not throwing this away either. I'm keeping it because I just make a smoothie this morning. I'm all over the place, but yeah, I made a smoothie this morning with the pulp from the old one that I have. This was the celery by itself. See, I look white because I can't seem to find the green celery. Barely we find it. Anyways, yeah. So it was cucumbers, celery, banana, and some chia seed and pineapple. Yeah. So like I said, this is what I just juiced. This is like, it was these cucumbers I used. The simpy. I don't know. I didn't count them. It was a lot though. I don't know how much it was, but it was a lot. So this is it with the spinach, ginger, and the celery. I love this because I'm about to eat and I'm gonna put in my food. So that's why I left one of them. But I have 2 more bags of cucumbers in there. So I was thinking if I should put these in my mason jar so I could be, you know, simple, just go and drink. I'll put it in my bottles. I might just figure it out later. But for now, I am gonna drink some before I eat. But yeah, you know what's crazy? I just bought a chlorophyll. Yeah, I'll be forgetting. I'm like, dang. Okay, honestly, the reason why I bought this because it was on sale, and I've been wanting this one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in my chlorophyll bottle. The small one I bought from Home Goods, and so I could just, you know, ding it. Oh, that's all it is. I thought it was okay. It's fat. This is the one I got. It's 16 ounce though. I feel like there's a lot in there. Let's open it. Man, it's actually because like I said, I was juicing and I was washing dishes and everything. It's Nature's Way Chlorofresh Liquid Chlorophyll. Supports healthy skin and body detox. Plant powder. Wait. Oh, plant powder. Mint flavor. 16 ounces like I said. So shake well before each use. Add 2 tablespoons once. I'll take 2 tablespoons once daily. Do not exceed it. They said don't exceed the recommended dose. Children under 18 years of age, consult the air care. Okay. I can't give them to my child. I took to the doctor first. I thought about it was like a bigger. What? 16 ounce. It was on sale. It was on Amazon. For $9.99. Was it $9.99 or $10.99? One of them. So I'm like, you know what? I think it was $9.99. I'm like, let me get it. So I got it. And then I end up juicing. Whatever. But I'm going to pour it in this bottle. Where is it? I'm going to pour it in here. Piece by piece. I mean, little by little. I'm going to fill it up. And then when it's finished, I'm going to do it again. Refill it until it's finished. Because it's better to use. I like these stuff. So you can know how many drops to take. Well, just say 2 tablespoons. I'll figure it out. But that's about it, y'all. I'm about to eat some food. I'm here watching Moesha again. I was talking to Kimani earlier. But he thought he's tired. I told him to go take a nap because his eyes look so tired. I'm like, go take a nap. I don't know if he's taking a nap right now, to be honest. But yeah, yeah, so I'm gonna eat my wings again. I had last night. I had leftover wings, so I put the rest of the sweet potatoes in there, sweet potato fries in there. So this sauce, like I said, it tastes good. I'm gonna try the spicy version next time. Though. Oh, mess. Sticky. I didn't even notice that. This is my first TikTok sample. First free TikTok sample. But I'm not gonna open it. I gotta open it on TikTok, of course. So it's because it's TikTok stuff. But yeah, the first sample is from Cake's Body. Like, hello? Yeah. I'm a content creator. Get with it. Period. Because what? They saw me and decided to. They don't care. I don't care how small or whatever it is. The fact that they saw me and want to send me something, that says a lot. Okay. Clock that T. Period. I'll be putting in that work. Because everybody know TikTok is not easy. I was like, oh, it's some bra thing, like, you know, cuff bra thing. It's like silicone and it's got a adhesive thing on there. So yeah, these organic bananas, they do taste way better than the other one. I'm not even gonna lie. And the other one break me out. So from now on, the only reason I buy those the dollar bananas is for my smoothies and I freeze them. But Like if I'm gonna eat a banana, I'm gonna buy an organic. Yeah. Oh yeah, I need to go get some green apples. So tomorrow is Sunday. I'm gonna I want to do laundry, and I want to get some green apples or something else to get outside. Well, green apples and something else. I forget out tomorrow, but I know I needed some green apples because I need to do some juice. Oh, I think it was a papaya. Oh, pineapple. I'm gonna go to Food Bazaar. Every time I go to Food Bazaar, they always have the 2 for $5 pineapple, and I think that's the best price ever. 2 for $5, 2 for $4, whatever. And yeah, I need those pineapples. So I can add it to here. Yeah. And yeah, but I'm gonna drink some green juice right now. Where's my glass? I just had it up here. Where I put it? Oh, over here. So I'm gonna use a ball ice and add some drinks to this. Yeah. I don't think I need more ice in that, right? Do I? A little bit more in it. I do want it to be cold because it is hot. It is very much so hot. So let's cover. I'm gonna put the cover on. I'm gonna put this in here. Ooh. Ginger, Alright, I'm gonna chill for a little bit. It's chill because I put enough ice in there, but it's not chill enough. Wash this thing off before I put it in the fridge. Then you wash everything off. I don't care. Cause why not? Yeah, I'm putting it in the fridge. I'm gonna chill. Oh yeah. But yeah, I did wash my hair last night, so I'm gonna grease it. I'm hungry. This is my first meal of the day. All I just wanted was some crackers and a smoothie. The cream crackers. That's all I had this morning. And then I took a nap. So a long nap. It wasn't even this morning. It was lunch. That was lunch because that was after 12. And then I was talking to my cousin, and then I told him I was gonna take a nap because I was so tired. I woke up 5 something, and I called my son. And I was talking on the phone while I was juicing. So then he looked tired. I'm like, go take a nap, Papa. Put that phone down and go take a nap. Look what I cooked today, y'all. Some black-eyed peas. I'm gonna cook it with some fish. Then I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. But it's been a minute since I cooked black-eyed peas. And yeah, I did use the canned ones. And look, come out so good. I use parboiled rice though. Today's Sunday, by the way. November what, 17 or 16, one of them. Our food right now. Food. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.